How does a transformer station work? Although we come across them every day, they are largely unknown. And yet they are responsible for turning on the light when we press a switch. Their function is to transform the power coming from the high or medium voltage grid to a lower voltage level so that it can be used in households, commerce and industry. But not only that, they also distribute energy according to demand or protect the grid if there is a problem. In other words, they ensure grid security and responsible supply, and this is thanks to the incorporated protection and automation systems technology. There are different types of stations, including underground, but they all have some common elements. The enclosure, or cladding, which is a sort of prefabricated concrete, brick or sheet building. The cubicle, which is the most technologically complex element and varies according to its function. It is like a giant switch that cuts off and lets the power flow and ensures the safety of the grid, even in the most adverse conditions. The protection relays, which allow the monitoring of current and voltage levels, remote operation, historical faults. They are a real technological revolution. The transformer, to increase or lower the voltage level of an electrical circuit. And finally, the low voltage board, which distributes and protects the energy to the consumption points. Now, we just need to know how they work. The power comes from the electrical network to the transformer substation and is distributed through the medium voltage switchgear. Typically, there is an incoming and outgoing ring next to a protection cubicle that protects the transformer, for example, against an electrical network overload. The transformer reduces the voltage level and thus increases the current level. This results in a large amount of electrical current which is distributed via the low voltage switchboard to numerous outlets and multiple outputs. Once the current has been adjusted to its ideal value, the energy reaches our home, our office, and any other consumption point, making everything run like clockwork. This is why transformer substations are vital for a smart grid.